We are from Electrical and Electronics Engineering branch, and our team members are Shravani, Sriram, Rachna, and myself, Praneeth. So, basically, title of our project is Respiratory Health Analyzer, and using this kit, we will be measuring three main parameters, which are lung capacity using the spirometer, pulse rate using pulse sensor, and temperature and humidity using the humidity sensor. Firstly, we'll have to inhale through this pipe, and depending upon the number of balls that will raise, will decide the lung capacity of the person. When the balls will raise, the IR sensors will detect the number of balls that are raising, and then the data will be transmitted to the Arduino, and then the Arduino will process the data and display the particular lung capacity depending upon the number of balls that are raising. And using this pulse sensor, we can see as my pulse rate is showing as 72 at 78 degrees, which is completely normal, and temperature sensor is also showing the temperature and humidity, which is 43, 44 and complete and raising, and the temperature is 33, which is in degrees Celsius, that is a normal human body temperature. To store the data, we need to press this button, and then it will indicate start breathe through light. Then we need to start to inhale through the spirometer. Then if the three balls are raising, it will show 1200 cc. Now to start the kit, initially we need to give power supply. As soon as it turns on, we need to give our hotspot connection to the device so that it will be Wi-Fi ready. Once the kit is Wi-Fi ready, it will show various parameters. As you can see, it will show temperature, humidity and heartbeat. The main reason of introducing this kit is that, as we all know, the chronic respiratory illnesses like asthma and others have an impact on breathing. The third biggest cause of mortality globally is a respiratory disease, which places a heavy load on patients, doctors, and healthcare systems. Also, people with asthma have to go through spirometry tests in multi-specialty hospitals, wherein the equipment is very complicated and difficult to use. As we can see, there are several steps here to perform a normal spirometry test, and the equipment is really heavy and costly. So to avoid that, we can use this simple kit, the respiratory health analyzer, where we can do all the operation that is performed by the spirometry test in multi-specialty hospitals, and also additionally we can note down the data of pulse rate and temperature, and also we can collect the data that is retrieved from the device using the Bluetooth module into our web application, which provides all the data and along with date and time, and it can also be viewed in a graphical view of all the separate quantities that are being measured.